बच्चों, let's see the question here. In group 1A of alkali metals, the ionization potential decreases down the group. Therefore, lithium is a poorer reducing agent in gaseous medium. Here we will start the solution. और सबसे पहले start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So here, as we know that ionization potential, this is inversely proportional to size of elements, and ionization potential, this is directly proportional to effective nuclear charge, that is Z effective. तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, if we move down a group, उस केस में क्या होगा, जो इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज है वो डिक्रीज करेगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ शेल्स इंक्रीज करते हैं. So due to that, size of elements, this will increase, and hence ionization potential value will decrease here. And if we talk about reducing agent, so reducing agent कौन से elements होते हैं? The one which will reduce other, whereas they will oxidize themselves. That means अगर यदि खुद को easily oxidize कर लेगा, so it will be good reducing agent in that case. And for oxidizing itself, उसके लिए क्या होनी चाहिए, ionization potential की जो value है वो low होनी चाहिए. But जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, जो alkali metal का group होता है, that means group 1, in that case, as we have discussed here, if we move down a group, ionization potential value decreases. So here, if we note down group 1 elements, so first we have lithium, then we have sodium, then we have potassium, and so on it goes on. So from lithium, sodium, potassium, here size increases and ionization potential value decreases. That means for lithium, ionization potential value, this will be high, okay, as compared to other elements of first A group elements. So due to that, here lithium, this will be poor reducing agent. But this condition is only applicable in gaseous phase. The reason being, in aqueous phase, what happens? Hydration energy of lithium is high. So here we have hydration energy high in case of lithium. So due to that, it will form Li plus ions very easily, and it will be strongest reducing agent, but that will be in case of aqueous solution. Hence the given statement here, it is true here, because यहाँ पे बोला गया है in gaseous medium only. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.